In this video, I'll show you how to change GitHub language. On GitHub, the word language can mean two different things. It can refer to the display language of the GitHub website, or the programming language shown on your repository. I'll explain both, so you can choose the option that matches what you need. First, if you want to change the display language of GitHub, sign in to your GitHub account. Then click your profile picture in the top right corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, look for Appearance or Account Preferences depending on the current GitHub layout. If a language option is available for your account, choose your preferred language from the list and save the change. After that, GitHub may refresh and show parts of the interface in the selected language. If you do not see a language setting, your GitHub interface may follow your browser or device language. In that case, open your browser settings, change the preferred language, then refresh GitHub and check again. Now, if you mean the programming language shown on a repository, that works differently. GitHub automatically detects the language based on the files inside your repository. For example, if most of your code is JavaScript, GitHub may label the repository as JavaScript. To change this, open your repository and review the files. Add or update files written in the language you want GitHub to detect. If the repository contains generated files, vendor files, or large files that affect the result, you can use a .gitattributes file to tell GitHub how to classify or ignore certain files. After updating the files, commit the changes and refresh the repository page. GitHub may take a little time to recalculate the language statistics. So, for the website language, check your account or browser settings. For a repository language, update the project files or adjust the language detection rules. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.